Well, I think a key part of, if you like, financing sustainable employment and also contributing to the necessary, to combating the issue of climate change is to, first of all, ensure that the gas resources we have off the west of Ireland currently, which were handed over to Shell, multinational, for nothing effectively by Ray Burke, are taken back into public ownership, and that the revenues that can be generated from the huge amounts of natural gas off the west coast of Ireland are those revenues come back to the state and are used to invest then in a very significant development of sustainable power sources, so that we can move away from reliance on imported fuel or on carbon fuels generally in the medium to long term. So I think there needs to be a big state investment programme in sustainable energy, and it shouldn't simply be left up to the private market, which really has failed to develop sustainable energy production in this country. Really, to put it simply, we need a 21st century version of the way the ESB transformed this country in the 20s or 30s, except this time with renewable energy, and that needs massive state investment, but also that could create tens of thousands of jobs in this country.